Welcome to another holistic aqua farm video. At the moment I'm doing some field maintenance for my cabbage plot. I've just completed weeding, so the field is nice and clean and the conditions are perfect to do a foliar spray. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. In the tank I have an insecticide, a fungicide, and some micronutrients to help boost plant health, and that's what I will be applying to the cabbage. I always try to use environmentally friendly products, but still to be on the safe side, safety first.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger.
That's it. I'm all done with the foliar spray. And just in case you're not sure what a foliar spray is, that is when the application is on the foliage of the plants, meaning the leaves of the plants. It's called a foliar application, and that is what I just did. And that's it for this plot. Moving on to the next one. And until next time, see you for the next one.